Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Hope everyone's doing okay. Right now, today I'm reviewing this ZENBRE M4 Bluetooth speaker. And this is a mini Bluetooth speaker in which connects to your phone and your tablet and your PC, or basically anything that's Bluetooth. But first of all, let's roll those titles. Right now, here's what you get. This is the box it comes in. It's got their logo on it. And the back here, M4 version, portable speaker. Specifications. It's got the speaker itself, the manual, the USB charging cable, and audio cable. This same speaker reminds me of the Amazon Echo, like a mini version of the Amazon Echo. As you can see, if you look at this picture here, I'm going to put here. If you look at this, look at that, and look at this. If you see what I mean. But anyway, and this is the speaker itself, and this is really small. I mean, it's not that heavy. It's not really heavy or anything like that. It's easy to carry around. Even at the bottom here, this off-on switch, and here's the mic at the front. On top here, you get the speaker. And rolls again in the box. Also inside the box you'll get a case to put it in with their logo on. It's like a brown case, dark brown. The USB cable, this is micro USB, and this is 1 meter cable, and also the audio cable. Now, the speaker, I mean, for how much they are, I mean, it's quite good, because if you're going on holiday or anything like that, I mean, it's easy to carry around, anything like that. I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say it was brilliant, but it's doable. It's not like really bad or anything like that. The sound quality is quite decent, to be honest with you. And obviously, if you can see, look how small it is. Like that, I'll show you my hand. That's my hand, and look how small the speaker is. It looks well made. Obviously, that's where you charge it. What I'm going to do at the moment, I'll be doing a giveaway. What you have to do to win the chance of a giveaway, just like my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Steve Clues. Just like our page, and I'll pick a winner. I'll inbox a winner on Facebook. Yeah. But apart from that, hope you found something useful. And I'll also put the product link of where you can actually buy this from in the description below, so just click the description below and I'll just put the product link of this. Yeah, but apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!